toothbrush, huh? You hear me? Sarah, you just got your braces off, and I spent a fortune on that new toothbrush. So, you better make those teeth sparkle. Sarah, you okay?
Just game, sir. Take a seat.
All right, pressure! Pressure on the ball, strikers!
Well, no, the stunt like that, you'll be warming the bench.
Stunt? I schooled those guys.
Exactly. You were showboating with two wide-open teammates. It's a team game, Sarah. Remember that.
I wasn't showboating. I just wanted to see if I could beat a 3v1.
Yeah, well, now you know.
Nice game, kiddo.
Oh, yeah. Coach said I was being selfish.
You should be taking shots, even when you're covered. You're the best player on that team.
They're all good, Dad. Have you seen Regina out there?
Selfish. Believe me, none of this will matter when you get pulled up to the training squad for the national team. There's never been anybody your age. Mia was older than you.
And you really think I'm good enough?
Sarah, how many times do I have to tell you, with your talent, 10 years of training, youngest ever.
Mwah.
Say hi to your mom for me. You call me the minute you hear the good news about joining the development squad. Okay?
Why don't you come inside and say hi yourself?
I need to watch our game tapes. We'll switch the lineup to a 4-4-2.
Oh, hey, how did it go?
We hammered him. I totally schooled a 3v1.
Great. Did you have fun?
You're weird, Mom.
Yeah, my mom was weird too. So, homework priorities are?
Everything. But first I have to check my email.
Okay, 10 minutes. Leave some electrons for the rest of the world.
Wish to thank you for attending the national team player development tryouts. Your skill and dedication impressed our coaching staff so much that we hope to invite you to try out again next year for player development with the U.S. national team.
Sarah? Hey, what's the matter? Come on, it can't be that bad.
Yes, it is.
All right. All right.
Cut.
Well, you know, half of me thinks that that might not be that bad, and I don't know. It's this half. It's this half. Okay. That was dumb. I'm sorry. Honey, I'm sorry.
What do I tell Dad?
Idiots. They make a big deal about wanting some younger players.
I'm back.
Sarah's better than those girls, Kevin. I'm filing a protest. I know. Katie just gave me a look. Look, you hear anything happening with the national team's development squad, Kevin, you let me know, okay? All right, good luck against Stanford. Kate, I've got some extra time. Let's double up on practices this week.
Hey, didn't see you yesterday. How was your weekend? Any boys you want to tell me about?
Oh, yeah, Tootie. Brad Pitt called, and Justin Timberlake stopped by for tennis.
Hey, boys, they're not everything.
It's worse than that.
What's worse than being almost 16 and never been kissed?
I have two. Arnie Miltonberger.
You were 9.
Okay, Billy Tanner, 8th grade.
Oh, yeah, at the Halloween party when he thought you were Gina Carboni, and then he threw up.
What's worse is I didn't make the national development team.
Well, look at the bright side.
Which would be?
Now you can have a life.
Right.
No, I've never understood the attraction of a game where you run around like a bunch of hyperactive hamsters. And spring fling, it's coming up. You've never been to a school dance?
Yeah, like there's a line of guys waiting to ask me, get real.
We need to hang out more. Hey, idea. Come back to dance with me.
Oh.
Really, it'd be like old times.
I've missed too much.
You'll catch up. You don't have to ask your dad. Just do it.
Okay, I'll see.
Ooh, trendy.
Thanks.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and reach. And reach. Good, ladies, let's have some fun. You're working too hard. Hit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Boogie on down. Where's the party, y'all? Let's some catch up. It's all right. Come on, keep that energy going. Shoulders loose. Come on, neck straight. Oh, dead face, Miss Sarah. Bring it up, baby. There you go. Pretty when you smile. Oh, Miss Tootie. I think your wardrobe is upstaging you, baby. Yes. Give me some energy, Sarah. Come on.
Good catching up, girl.
Oh, thanks. I'm so lost.
You know we're having auditions for the spring performance this afternoon. You should try out.
Really? Oh, that'd be awesome. But I have a soccer game.
Well, that's too bad. There's always next semester. Ladies, let's hit it.
Hey, check this out. Oh, dope. Gina Ravello, man, she's spicy.
Oh, man, yeah. Oh, she's one hot tamale. What is that? Sarah Davis, sophomore, I think.
Oh, man, not so hot.
More like a frozen tamale. You think she's ever gone out on a date? Dude, look at her.
Oh.
Don't pay attention to them. They're morons.
Yeah, cute, popular morons. There's nothing here fit for human consumption.
Salad bar.
Well, you know, it did say something about her mom being a baboon or something.
You know, he could use an attitude adjustment.
What?
Yes, Sarah, definitely. You know, the boy needs an attitude adjustment.
Oh.
Guy.
Hi, that's me, the frozen tamale. I heard you like yours hot. Spicy enough for you?
Ladies and
Gentlemen, today we are working with boiling acid, which, as you might imagine, is serious business. So make sure whoever's handling it uses both the tongs and wears the goggles. Be careful.
What's the next direction?
Oh, that beaker? Yeah. Make sure you don't spill. Oh my god, I won't.
What'd you get for that one? I don't understand.
Me too. I'm stuck on this one problem. You know what the conclusions do for this one? Alice, look where
Miss Davis, I'll have the note, please.
Excuse me?
You and Miss Sarkoff have been passing notes all period, so I presume that your exchange has relevance to our experiment.
Not exactly.
Well, come on, something seems to fascinate you more than class. Let's see what it is. The note.
Just 1 second.
No,
Just
give
one
me the
second.
note.
I will. Just,
Mr.
sure you will.
Arthur,
Sarah, give me the note.
I wouldn't use the word fascinate.
just real
More like
quickly.
research, really, to understand the
Sarah.
different behaviors of
Real quickly.
Sarah.
different species. Or subspecies, actually.
Oh, a subspecies. Wonderful. I'm sure the entire class would enjoy sharing your research. Come on.
I really.
Sarah, come on.
Yeah, let's see it.
Come on.
Give me the note.
Okay.
No,
Yes,
it's not.
yes.
No.
Oh dear. I'm sorry. I'm just such a klutz, but you're right about that acid.
Yes, you are.
Is
It's definitely gone.
yeah.
There is nothing left in there.
Nope.
I'll talk to you later.
Don't just stand there, you gotta rev it up. It's your party, you gotta shake it up. Beat knocking, better open up and let it out. Got a box on 11 and I try to blast it coming in. Don't hang around, just wasting your time. So here it's now, go out of your mind. Go out of your mind. You're here, it's now. Surrender your soul to the big beat sound. It's here, it's now. Smash up the jukebox, boy. Go out of your mind.
Oh, what is this stuff?
Dad's healthiest smoothie.
Okay, here. Try this.
But you're gonna try it with me.
Yeah, right. All right, you know. Okay, maybe it needs some more fruit. I'll fix it.
Was that the doorbell?
Well, could you check?
Nobody.
Okay, now try this. Yeah, your dad's theories always need a little fine tuning. So, how did he take it?
He canceled our one-on-one training sessions.
Well, you know, there are lots of other things you can do together.
Like what?
I don't know. You could go to a play. You could go to the Museum of Modern Art, take in a ballet. All right, fine, let him take you clothes shopping.
I hate clothes shopping. I never know what to get.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Hey. We got another shot at the national team. I just got word.
What?
Yeah, they lost a forward. She broke her foot. Still got time to get her practice in.
Okay, then let's go.
What are you doing?
Didn't you hear? We got another shot.
Gil, she has algebra.
Yeah, algebra can wait.
You know, sometimes I think that you forget that she's just a 15-year-old girl.
15 years, 4 months, with a chance to be
I know,
the youngest.
I know. Let me ask you something. What does it matter that she's the youngest ever?
It matters to me and her.
You come outside. Look, first family dinners disappear. And then vacations become soccer tournaments. A couple months ago, you start spending the night at the office. So I'm sleeping alone. Sarah's so busy she can hardly see straight. Now Sarah's left the building. So where are we going with this? Gil, tell me, because I don't know.
I'm just trying to get a few things. Julia, she loves soccer.
She loves whatever you would do together. She's got the rest of her life to play sports.
Let's ask her what she wants to do.
It is not that simple.
This looks like a serious conversation.
Your mom's still worried we're overdoing it with the soccer.
Mom, this is definitely what I want to do. I may not be good enough, but I at least want to try.
Right. You can do your homework when you get back.
Oh, I can hardly wait.
Bigger leg swing, Sarah. Plant your foot like you're shooting it. All right, I'll bounce you with your arm. Give me your leg. Okay. Lock the knee. It's all one motion, okay? It's pretty much swing from the hip.
Okay.
Okay, try it again. Good, that's what we're talking about. Good. Come on, hold me strong. Hold me up strong. Come on, keep your arm up. Keep your arm up. Come on, Sarah. Come on, hold me up strong. Hold me up strong. Here we go. Come on, girl. Let's go. Come on. One touch. Corner kick. Victory Argentina! Goal, 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 Pele! Goal! Okay. Give me your best move.
Like what?
Scissors or Matthews, whatever.
Okay. You okay?
That was no Matthews.
I know. I call it a crazy 8. So how's your knee?
No, I'll live. Well, your form looks good, your moves are solid. You just have to work on getting open.
I know. Be dynamic, create space.
Hey, let's not forget who's the coach around here.
How could I forget? How?
Don't forget, the Key Club's charity pancake breakfast is Saturday morning in the school cafeteria.
Where were you this morning?
Oh, on the mountain. 4 miles.
Oh, you couldn't run 4 miles if you had Tom Cruise and a box of Krispy Kremes at the end.
That'll happen.
So is it soccer 24/7? You know, just email me once a month so I know you're still alive.
Tootie, no one my age has ever made the national team.
Yeah, I know.
I'm staying in dance with you.
For real?
Mm-hmm. And I'm going to the spring fling, even if you're my date.
Ah, good choice. Back to fun and games. Ciao. I'm terrified.
All right, listen up. This has been a great season. You guys are peaking just in time for the state cup tournament.
Who were those people?
They're from the Soccer Federation. They're scouting replacements for the development squad that trains for the national team. Look, we'll all be proud if someone from my team gets chosen. But right now, our focus needs to stay on State Cup. No matter how far you go with soccer, this will always be about coming together to achieve your maximum potential. As a team. Yeah? Okay. All right, let's go.
Regina, what was that?
Not the only one trying to make national team, sophomore.
That was a pretty rough tackle out there.
Yeah,
You train hard.
you should see a game.
I have. Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, it's no biggie. My ankles have been sore for years.
Well, you're an incredible player.
Thanks. It's a nice camera.
I work part-time at a camera store. The owner lets me borrow it.
Is it digital?
No. I'm old school into that Photoshop stuff.
I actually got a camera for Christmas.
Oh, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
What do you shoot?
The usual, mostly. Actually, I haven't taken it out of its box yet.
Well, you should. You should. It changes the way you see things.
What do you mean?
It opens up a window on something or someone, the perspective that you see things, the way you see... I don't know. It's hard to explain.
No, I think I see what you're saying. It's my dad. I have to go.
Okay. I'll see you at the playoffs.
Are you really gonna be there?
Yeah. For the Wildcatter. You're a celebrity. Almost.
Yeah, right.
Wow, look at the clarity in these shots. That's so cool.
Oh, yeah. Contrast looks great. Yearbook's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm going to lunch. You wanna go?
No, I got some stuff to do.
All right. You know, you could just ask her to the dance. Okay. See ya.
You're not even sweating. I hate you.
Hey, guess who I talked to yesterday at practice?
The ravishing Regina?
No, she hit me with a nasty tackle. Have you ever seen that guy who's always hanging around with his camera?
Josh Anderson.
You know him? What's he like?
Mystery man. I think his parents homeschooled him in, like, Nepal. He skipped freshman year completely. He's a junior.
He sounds like a brain.
He's on the cross-country team. Takes pictures of everything. Are you interested?
Me? I don't know.
I think he's crush material. Although he hangs out by himself a lot.
Well, I think he's cute.
Well, duh.
Good work, soccer girl. Still up for being in a performance?
Yeah, but you've already had auditions.
Well, there's still a few roles left.
Really?
Sarah, you should so do it. It'll be so fun.
Final auditions are today.
Oh, I can't miss practice. We're in State Cup.
Well, rehearsals start on Monday. Let's see. I can fit you in Saturday at 5:30. It's my only time.
That would be perfect.
You gonna be here?
Yes.
For sure?
Absolutely.
Excellent. We're gonna be on fire.
Sarah, work on your combinations, and you, Miss Tootie, work on the wardrobe.
Oh!
They'll have a banana split with extra fudge and lots of whipped cream.
Okay. Actually, if you don't mind, I'm gonna turn you over to Doogie because he makes the best banana splits. Doogie, do you mind?
The Dukester would die for you, gorgeous.
Okay, well, let's just stick with the banana split for now.
Splits over here, kids.
Next.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
So I was thinking about when we were talking the other day, and
Excuse me, Sarah. There's no socializing on the job.
No, he's a customer, right?
I don't have any money.
Oh, well, actually, you maybe will need some free samples to help you decide. We get a lot of requests for ginger wasabi.
Okay. Intense. So I thought maybe you could come check out this place I go on Saturdays. You can shoot great pictures there. This is too intense. I'll try the strawberry shortcake. Anyway, I thought maybe if you wanted, you could come with me.
Yeah, that would be great.
So, like, this afternoon?
Actually, I don't get out of here for another hour, and then I have this practice with my dad, and then I have this dance audition at 5:30, so I'm kind of...
Wow, yeah, you're totally booked. Okay, no, that's cool. We'll just do it another time. Thanks for the samples.
Wait. Maybe I could get off work early.
Really?
Just hang on a second. Hey, Doogie, I have to run. Can you take over for me?
Can I? Your wish is my command, dreamboat.
Thanks, Doogie. You're cool.
Are you sure this is okay?
Yeah, Doogie can handle it.
Hey, take a left.
Through here?
Yeah.
Wow. How did you find this place?
It's my uncle's work. He's a little different. I guess it runs in the family. Oh, hey, check this one out.
Looks like a dancer.
Yeah, it kind of does. Oh, wait, don't move.
No.
Seriously, this is great.
You're kidding, right?
This is great.
You
yes,
are.
So good. Wait, one more.
No, because I'm not. Are you serious?
Oh, it's so perfect. Wait, one more time. Oh, this is...
Take you out on the town tonight. Tell your mama that it's gonna be alright. Pick you up around 8 or 9. I'm gonna change your mind. And you make it all brand new. Yeah. And I'm falling deeper for you. So tell me
I love it here.
Yeah, it's my favorite place in the world. You really get it, the spirit of it. I mean, you know?
I guess so.
It's cool you're not one of the fashionista girls. You know, always wearing the latest slinky threads and hanging with your posse.
Oh, that is totally me. I mean...
I'll be taking pictures for the yearbook, and they're, like, broadcasting every detail of what happens with their boyfriends.
I don't see you around school much.
Oh, I'm kind of a private guy.
Why are you such a private guy?
I don't know. I guess every place we lived, there really wasn't a regular school, so coming here was like culture shock. Not to mention everyone in my grade is older, which is a little weird.
Yeah, tell me about it. Everyone on my team is older, so it's... I mean, they can be fun, but they like to boss me around.
Yeah, but you're a great player.
Well, it's pretty much all I do.
You've got it all figured out.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you know what you want, and you're going for your dream.
No.
For me, I don't really choose the things I do. They just sort of happen.
Same thing exactly.
Really?
Yeah, I'm totally. I even have this dream where I'm riding my bike down this steep hill, and I keep pulling the brakes, but nothing happens. And so I keep going, faster and faster, and you know, my life is totally out of control. So, any new windows opening? With your pictures, I mean.
Yeah. Come on. Right here, okay? So
Right here?
you're gonna be, like, right here. That's you, okay? All right.
It's me.
All right, here we go.
Okay.
Like that. Push this.
Oh my God, I'm so late for practice. I have to go. Thanks.
Yeah, that's right. Let's go.
Yeah, soccer's going great. Well, Sarah loves doing things with her dad. But it's just... She's just training so much, and her body's developing, and Gil's got her practicing with his pro team. Do you know, he's gotten so intense that I've even stopped going to her games. Yeah, well, not great. He's basically moved into his office. Yeah, well, of course, I still love him. I just don't... You know what? I've got to go. Well, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.
Hi.
Hi. Come in.
Thanks.
Defense, don't get split. Weak side, you need to tuck it in. Well, good evening.
Sorry I'm late, Dad.
Guess you had more important things to
No,
do.
it's just this boy from the school paper had to take my picture, and there's just a little dance class I have to...
You realize what's at stake here, right? You make the national team, then you can get a berth to the Olympics, and then maybe World Cup. You got the rest of your life for boys and hippity-hopping around.
I wasn't...
Life changes, Sarah. Things happen. Plans don't always work out the way you want to, so let's get to work. Quicker touches, quicker touches, quicker touches. Julie, mark up and get goal side. guys are working, but you're fading on me. We'll fix that with an extra practice Sunday, tomorrow. See you at 8 o'clock sharp.
Audition.
Hey, kiddo. You missed our speed work.
Oh, Dad, do I have to?
That was Kevin on the phone. National team needs a finisher. You're gonna take the top scorer from the State Cup tournament. If that's gonna be you, you're gonna need every ounce of speed you can get. On the line, 10 shuttles, 35 seconds.
Hey, nobody runs alone.
Hey, why don't you throw the bike in the truck? I'll give you a ride home.
I have to go, Dad.
Come on.
Dad, I have to go.
Oh, honey, what happened?
And so I missed the audition.
That is a tough day. Can you ask for a makeup session?
That was the makeup session.
You know, honey, I think that you've got to ask yourself something.
What?
Do you really want to be this committed to soccer?
Mom, it's for the national team. I'm not gonna quit soccer.
No. Who said anything about quitting? I'm just talking about playing with kids your own age.
Do you realize what's at stake here?
But if you make the team, you have to move away. Did you think about that?
I know. It's not that far.
I hate to say it, but your mom is right. Why would you want to move?
I don't. It would be so cool to get a shot at the Olympics or the World Cup.
Ew. You don't have to decide today, do you?
No.
So, like,
oh, well, he came by Cold Stone and we talked.
Yes, and?
And we went to this park place thing and he took pictures of me and us and we talked some more.
Oh my God, this is serious.
No, it's not.
You were so smitten.
No, it is a photo thing. Yes, it is.
Oh, yeah, well, don't look now, but photo boy, approach her.
Hey.
Oh, hi.
So I developed the negatives, printed a couple. They turned out pretty good. Really good.
Oh, cool.
So you could help me print the rest if you want. I mean, only if you have time.
Yeah, sure. Now?
Yeah.
Do you mind?
Totally not.
All right.
All right, let's go.
My God, I can't see my hand in front of my face.
First time in a dark room?
Yeah.
Okay, we're good for lights.
These are so cool.
Oh, yeah, we lived there for a couple years. We're gonna go back someday and build the children a school. Here they are. Look at these.
Wow. You're really good at this.
Oh, well, it's kind of like you and soccer. It takes up most of my time.
What, do you live in here?
No. It's just, there's no hassles here. Here. Check these out.
Wow.
See, the camera catches everything. Even the stuff your eyes sometimes miss. Like this.
Oh my God.
Yeah, the Wildcatter wanted that, but I gave it to the yearbook. Hope you don't mind. You're a pretty incredible dancer.
You think so?
Yeah, I could never do that.
It's not so hard.
Yeah, for you.
For anyone. Here. Try it.
What?
Yeah.
No, in here? I can't.
Yes, you can. Here.
Oh my gosh. All right.
Turn her.
Oh, that was terrible.
No, you were getting it. You were getting it. Here. Put your arms.
Mm-hmm.
Spin around. Just kind of loosen up. Look at that. Not so good?
No, really good. Do you think we could maybe do this at the Spring Fling? The dancing part, I mean.
You mean go to the dance together?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Hey, Josh, you in there?
That's just Terry, don't worry.
You know I better go.
Are you sure?
Sorry.
Dude, what is going on in here?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Come on, sir. Come on, sir.
You're playing fantastic, baby. Fantastic.
I need to score, Papa.
Don't worry. Just play your game. Don't worry.
Just keep taking on players, keep taking shots. Another goal and you've got it.
Regina! Cross it!
Go, let it go, 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 come on!
Cross to Regina!
Get around her, Sarah! Look at
Back here! Here!
All right, come in, come on! Come back, Sarah, come back for the ball! Midfield, Sarah, get the ball in midfield! Drive right through this crowd, go to the goal!
Gina!
Go to the goal!
Or my coach in college, but I am the coach here, not you.
Yeah, but you're not telling her what to do. She needs
always
that.
screaming at her from the sideline. She'll never learn to think for herself out there, which is what she needs.
This is State Cup, Lori.
Hey, listen to me. It doesn't matter if it's the World Cup, Gil. On this field, you're a parent. So cheer her on, but don't coach. Coaching has changed, Gil. Get with the program.
Penalty kick, blue. Good try, Regina. Good try, baby.
Not too many touches, not too many touches, not too many touches.
Well, I don't know how we pulled that one off. I believe that we're capable of more. We have a tough week of practice before the finals. So get plenty of rest and I'll see you Monday. Oh, and bring your running shoes.
We know you're trying to rack up goals. Wouldn't kill you to pass the ball.
I'm just trying to win the game, same as you. Besides, I wasn't the one who missed the penalty kick.
I'm the man. Poetic slammer is who I am. Making music is my life from beginning, middle to end.
You know, I have no clue. Let me check my schedule. Yeah? Oh, Teddy took a tumble.
Are you serious? You brought your teddy bear to school?
Sure, he likes visiting.
Where are you? I need to tell you something.
Oh, tell me now.
Okay. You know the other afternoon when we saw Josh Anderson?
Cute photo boy Josh?
Yes.
Yes?
Well, he had all these pictures of me dancing.
Oh my God, he's obsessed with you.
No, Tootie, it's a yearbook thing.
I'm kidding. I mean, nobody takes pictures of me these days. What else?
Well, we were in the dark room.
You and Josh Anderson alone in the dark room?
And we were talking. And then we sort of stopped talking.
And he kissed you, didn't he?
Tootie!
I'm sorry. I mean, this is exciting. Did you kiss him back?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so how'd you leave it?
Well, I saw him this morning, and we're printing the rest of the pictures, and we're going to spring fling together.
Oh my gosh, you really like him, don't you?
Yeah.
Can't waste my time hanging out at the mall. Yeah.
I'm making my case because I trust this place with you, my people. I'm a freshman here, so this is my base with you, my people. I'm rhyming ace. My life isn't going to waste, but I trust this place with you, my people. Oh, where my people at?
Hi.
Hello.
No, it's not any of my business.
You're right. It's not.
Look, I think that you and the team could cut Sarah a little bit of slack.
Oh, really?
I know you think Sarah's playing for herself, but she's not.
I see. And when did you become such a soccer expert?
I'm not, but I know Sarah a little, and you don't have to boss her around. She's playing for the team.
Interesting.
You. Sticking up for Sarah? Well, she's going around telling everyone that, you kissed like a dead squid.
What?
Oh, you know, in the dark room.
Did she say that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't supposed to say anything. Hi. Hi.
All right, right here on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, smiles right here. Yeah, right. Now, can you scoot together just a little bit? So I get a little tighter. Yeah, you're not allowed to have fun, okay? So no smiles. All right, now tilt your head a little bit this way, but eyes towards me. 2, 3. All right, cool.
Hi.
Hi.
I guess I got it wrong. I thought we were gonna develop those pictures today.
No, you got it right. All right, shift a little bit to the right.
Well, did you want to do it later then?
Look at me again. No, I already printed them.
Oh.
Yeah, they weren't any good, so I tossed them.
You threw them away?
I didn't know you had a girlfriend, Joshy.
I don't.
Xbox Club at 4.
Thanks. We're all done here. What's the problem?
I don't know. You tell me. You don't need an attitude adjustment, do you?
Me? I'm not the one with the attitude problem around here.
Excuse me?
Hey, why don't you announce a Sarah and Josh Club meeting in the dark room? That would be great.
What is going on?
Maybe you should just go to the dance by yourself. Look, I thought we were in the same wavelength here, but
Same wavelength?
guess I was wrong. I'm gonna go do some stuff.
Like what? Hang out in your janky dark room and play with your stupid puzzles?
Lexi in for Sarah. Sarah, over here. You okay?
Yeah.
We need to talk. So, what's going on?
I'm just tired. I'm training with my dad.
I played 4 years for your father at Cal. He pushed us hard. But I was 20 years old and I knew what I wanted.
Meaning?
You need to think about where you want to be with this sport. What you want out of it.
My dad does that.
Maybe you should be in on it.
All right, my dad's training can get me on the national team.
But if you really want to play at that level, it can't be to please your dad.
This is what I want, Lori. Look, I'll train harder, okay?
You still don't know how good you are. There comes a time when you have to lead your life, Sarah. Not just follow it.
Hey, kiddo, what's up?
The usual.
Hey, got something for you. Shoe rep dropped off a load today. What do you think?
Sweet.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
Right at me. Ooh, nice shot. Enemy.
Not much of a goalkeeper.
Yeah. Regina says he's the only Brazilian who can't play soccer.
See how she keeps her head down, though?
Oh!
So, when did you know you wanted to make soccer your whole life?
I don't know, junior year in high school, quit football, found soccer. I cared more about soccer than anything else.
You still do.
Well, I like to think there's some things I care about more, like my daughter.
And Mom?
Sarah, it's not like we're running out to get a divorce, okay? We just need some time to sort things out.
Okay. So, high school, soccer.
Great players back then, Pele, Maradona, Beckenbauer. Oh, they were gods on the field.
And you were a god too, right?
It was pretty cool.
I know. When I'm on the field, I don't even have to think. I just go.
I know.
But you gave it up.
Well, not much choice there, kiddo.
Come on, right at me.
Dad, there are other things we can talk about besides soccer, right?
Of course.
Like things happening in the world.
Sure.
Like what?
Like everything. Like, I don't know, Manchester United may trade Wayne Rooney to Juventus.
Lame, Dad.
Well, okay.
Lame.
Hang on. Oh, man, her arms are flailing all over the place. She's got to keep her upper body quiet.
Dad.
What? Hey, forgetting something?
Later, dude.
Love you, kiddo.
What do you mean, Florida? I thought you said that the national team trains right here in California.
It's a brand new training center just for women, state-of-the-art facilities, sports medicine, everything she needs.
Everything she needs 3,000 miles away.
Okay, it's a bit of a challenge.
As if we need more challenges right now.
But it is such an opportunity.
For who? She's been playing soccer since she could walk, Gil. Why can't you just give it a couple of years?
Who knows where she'll be then? Julia, she can play with the best players in the country right now.
Great. And then we'll all be living alone.
Don't blame soccer for that.
I don't. I just want to know where this is headed.
I gotta get back to work.
You are looking so fine today, babe. Like, you could be a supermodel.
What is that about?
Oh, it's just the jigster. He's harmless.
So what's up with Photo Boy? You've been suspiciously silent.
I don't even know. He asked me to the dance and then totally ditched me.
Well, some guys are just whack.
Not me, doll. No way I treat major babes like you with such disrespect.
Do you mind? This is a private conversation, Junior. You have to go to the dance. I did the decorations.
No guy wants to dance with a jock or jockette.
Sarah, you're not just a jock. It would be complete poetic justice if you showed up at the dance and Josh would see all these guys checking you out.
Because that'll happen.
You don't have a clue, do you? Just let the tootster work her magic.
I don't know about this too.
Don't freak out. This color is so you.
Hey, what's going on?
Just making your daughter drop dead gorgeous, Miss Davis.
Mission impossible, right, Mom?
Not at all. Hey, can I help? All right, I may be your mom, but I still know a few tricks.
Well, actually, we could use some help on some clothes.
Yeah, I got some ideas.
It couldn't be done.
Mom, what do you think?
You know, I used to wear that skirt when I went out with your father.
You know what, Miss Davis? You had some style.
Well, Sarah's dad noticed me. And you're gonna get noticed plenty too, believe me.
That's my babe. Awesome, huh? Come on. Sarah! Hey, I was just chilling with my posse. Didn't expect to see you fine ladies here tonight. You are not talking to us. Come on, just do me this one little favor. Walk in with me.
You can't be serious.
Wait. Just let me walk in with you and I'll disappear from your lives forever. And, you know, we don't have to dance much.
It can't hurt.
Sweet! Yes! All right, come on. So, what's your sign?
Okay, be kind to Geek Day is now over.
Tootie, this is so cool.
Yeah, just call me the Dancing Queen. Oh, don't look now, but Tamale Boys are drooling with regret.
Hi.
Who's this? She's cute.
Sarah, from the soccer team?
No way.
Yes, Sway.
Can't believe it. Where's your boyfriend? You know, the one who takes all the pictures and kisses like a dead squid.
What are you talking about?
Ask your friend. I heard it from her. Come on. What?
What did you tell her?
What do you mean? How should I know?
Tootie, that information was private. You promised.
But I didn't.
That's why Josh won't even talk to me. He thinks that I'm telling everybody.
Are you serious? I can't believe you.
I can't believe you. It's like you don't want us to end up together.
Are you nuts? Why would I tell her?
But you did.
Okay, maybe a little something slipped out, but...
Oh, yeah, like you didn't know.
Okay, time out. This conversation is going nowhere. I'll just see you whenever.
Hi.
Thought you didn't do dances.
Yearbook.
Yes.
You look nice.
Thank you. I thought some people might think I look like one of those fashionista girls.
I gotta take some more shots.
Hey, wait. You know, I think there might have been a little confusion between us. I'm just afraid that maybe something was said.
Dead squid?
I have no idea where that came from, but it was not me.
I believe you.
I would still be really interested in learning how to print pictures.
Sarah, your life is moving so fast. I don't think there's time for someone like me.
I can make time.
That's nice, but I don't want to take a back seat to everything else in your life. If you make the national team and move away...
Yeah, I understand. Totally. So how's Delilah's garden?
I haven't been there in a while. Can I take a picture?
Yeah, sure.
See ya.
See ya.
Rhetorical, asking questions that don't need answers, yeah. Invisible, chased by ghosts I could swear I've seen before. And you were there with your rain cloud hair, caught up by the pull between the moon and the sun. With every word you speak, I falter. And every smile you sneak, I'm altered. And in a world where nothing seems certain, with you, I have no doubts. Invisible, I failed to see what's been right there from the start. Impossible. Yeah, I couldn't help but laugh as my world came undone. And in a world where nothing seems certain, with you, I have no doubts. With you, I have no doubts.
Sarah? I was disappointed you didn't make it the other night.
I'm sorry.
You filled all the roles for the performance.
I know. I meant to make it. I just... The day blew up on me, you know?
I hope you get a handle on your life, sweetie.
Yeah. Time. Over here. All right, Sarah, you got me one. Get it. And on. Sarah. Now on. Regina. The ball. Go. Switch it. Switch it. Come on. Back to me. Yeah. Come on, girls. Get it.
Hey.
What?
Keep your head up. We need your best game tomorrow. Where'd you get those?
What does it matter?
Your friend with the crazy clothes. What's her name?
Judy.
Yeah. I heard her talking with you on your cell phone last week about kissing that boy.
So she didn't actually tell you about him?
No. And I said some things to him that I probably shouldn't have. I didn't know you were gonna be so good this year.
I nailed Tootie for that one.
Sorry.
It's okay. You must feel the pressure, too.
Me?
I've seen you out there with your dad.
I have 5 brothers and sisters at home. I had to drag my father out here. I play soccer for me.
What do you mean?
When I'm with the ball out here, it's like I'm moving to the music. Like a samba. And when we got it all going, girl, I am the music. I'm out of here in June, and I'm gonna roll with soccer as far as I can. National team, college, whatever. Come on, let's go.
Okay. But samba or no samba, I want to be on that plane to Florida just as badly as you do. Fine.
Great run, guys. Everybody, get strapped. We're heading to Mount tomorrow, guys.
There's your boy.
Catch you out, guys.
Hey, how you doing? I was worried. All right, folks, we're just about ready to get started. Grab your last donut, head on in. Davis. Are you Davis? No, I'm not. I am, but I'm not. You've been coaching a while? Oh, yeah. Lacrosse, 9 years. Soccer, 21 years. Wow, that's great. Come on. Welcome, everybody, to the Positive Coaching Workshop, where it's all about honoring the game. Together, we're going to explore how to transform youth sports, so sports can transform youth.
If I moved away, that would be okay, right?
Well, they're taking the top scorer? Well, then your chances are pretty good.
Dad thinks I'm good enough. And it would be so cool to get a shot at the Olympics or the World Cup, you know? But then I think I'd miss you. And Dad. And Tootie. And there's this boy, even though that's not working out very well.
A boy?
Yeah, he's, never mind.
Well, you know, I'm not you, but if I had that decision to make...
There's no decision, Mom. If I put the ball in the net, I go. I don't know what to hope for.
Now is the time when you have to listen to that little voice inside. You know, the one that tells you what's right to do? You ever hear that?
Maybe, sort of.
I'll trust it. I know that no matter what happens, I love you.
Thanks, Mom.
So after dinner, you want one of your dad's healthy smoothies?
The ones you put ice cream in?
Oh, come on, says who?
It's Mia now. Mia Ham. Shot! It's in! It's in the net! Ham puts the Freedom back in front. Cece chips it forward. Brandy. Scores! Terrific touch by Brandy Chastain.
Where's Sarah?
She was gone when I got up. I thought she went with you.
No.
Well, she's not here.
She has to be. Sarah? Sarah? Sarah!
She took my bike.
I told her I'd take her.
I hope it goes well.
It will. Listen. I just wanted to say, I know I've been a little extreme when it comes to soccer.
A little.
Please?
Sorry.
I'm working on some things here. I just wanted you to know that.
Okay.
You know, it's a big day for us. I mean, Sarah, I'm sure she'd like it if we were both there to watch her.
I don't know if I can do that, Gil.
Try to find a place where I belong. But what'll I do if I get it all wrong? Moving so fast, what do you know? What if it's too early for me to let go? Trying to find a place where she belongs. But what'll I do if I get it all wrong? Yeah. I'm trying to find a place where I belong. But what'll I do if I get it all wrong?
Hey, kiddo.
Hey, you scared me.
Well, you scared me the way you disappeared.
Regina and I are tied for goals, Dad.
I know.
Any last words of advice?
Their goalkeeper's tall. Keep your shots low.
Not about that.
There's 14 other girls dependent on you. And so am I.
Nice move, sophomore. Thanks. They're here? I know.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Listen, let's not even worry about those guys. Today, it's all about state cup.
Cool, I'm there.
All right. Hey.
Tootie, you hate soccer.
I want to root you on in your moment of glory.
Thanks.
Hey, about the dance.
It's no biggie. I heard what happened.
So we're still friends.
Are you kidding? Look up friends in the dictionary. Our picture's there. Just go kick some booty.
Well, will do.
Playing left mid, Jessica Meade. Playing left forward, Sarah Davis.
Oh yeah, Sarah rules. Oh yeah, Sarah rules. Yeah. Number one.
The U19 State Cup Championship has been contested by 108 teams throughout California.
Hey, Sarah, get in here.
This is what we've been working for all year, okay? Molly, win the air ball. Jess, be strong out there. Regina, use your speed and get behind their defense. Sarah, dance your dance out there, okay? Let's make this happen. Strikers on 3.
1, 2, 3.
Strikers!
Strikers! Go to Gina! Go!
Is this seat taken?
Yes, by you. This is a surprise.
Pleasant one, I hope.
Absolutely. We're up 1-0.
Thanks.
Another hit like that should be going home on a stretcher.
Settle down, Coach. Settle down.
Well, that's a first.
Well, who knows? Maybe they'll play for me one day.
And Sarah?
Sarah can hold her own with the best. I may have pushed a little hard. Put my team back to 1 practice a day. You look nice.
So do you.
Midfield needs to control the ball. And they're pushing their defense up. They're trying to trap us with the offsides. So stay alert out there and talk to each other. When our chances come, you need to be ready.
Sarah, she's our girl. The Strikers don't win this game, Harls.
Why?
Hi. Who's Sarah?
Oh, Sarah, she's my cousin.
Yeah, we're pretty tight. It's pretty crucial to be there for your family, don't you think?
Yeah.
I want you to leave it all on the field, okay? Don't save anything, all right? Let's do this, come on.
What happened?
The strikers scored. You should have seen this breakaway.
By who?
Sarah Davis. Awesome move.
Hey. Hey. Thanks. Deserved it.
Look, I'm sure we'll play together again someday.
Yeah. Might be a while, though. I think I'm gonna take a break. Give my ankles a rest, you know?
Okay. Sounds like a plan, sophomore. Good luck.
You too.
Daddy.
Oh!
Doris.
Hi. I am so proud of you.
Thank you.
So you made the U.S. development
Yes,
team?
Papa, I
No.
did.
Thanks. Now you know how good you are.
Hey, Lori, great game.
Any team I coach, there's a place for you.
Okay. Oh, honey, that was fantastic.
Played brilliantly, Sarah.
Oh.
At the end there, you had the keeper beat, didn't you?
Dad, soccer is an amazing part of my life. And I am going to play for them. Just not yet. There's a few things I don't want to miss. And we can still do things together, right?
Absolutely. All right, go grab a shower, kiddo. I'll give you a ride
Actually, I have to go take care of something.
home. Something.
Yes.
Yes, we'll see you at home for dinner. Okay, goodbye.
Bye. We?
Yeah, I'm having dinner at home. I'm having dinner at home.
And
Hi.
congratulations.
Thanks. What's going on around here?
Oh, just moving on a little.
So do you think I made the right decision?
Yeah. Yeah, I guess. Well, I thought you'd, be packing your bags by now.
No. But I might help Regina.
Wait, what do you mean?
Didn't you see? She made the final goal. It's her ticket to Florida.
Wait, Regina made the goal? So that means she's gonna... So you'll be staying...
I'll be taking my camera outfits box, doing some dancing, going to school, and just...
Everyone has got a secret side, a winding path up to a door that's open wide. You think you know me, but I'm changing